The damage a storm causes to a home can leave your life suddenly upended. Of course, getting your life back together is the next logical step, and Tar Heel Construction Group can help you achieve the same. First, contact the Tar Heel Construction Group to schedule an inspection to confirm damages. Next, contact your homeowner's insurance carrier to plan a visit with an insurance adjuster for a damage assessment. Tar Heel Construction Group then works with your homeowner's insurance agency to ensure that you receive maximum compensation for your new roofing, siding, or gutter. Once the insurance amount is secured, you just need to schedule an appointment with the Tar Heel Construction Group to install your new roof, siding, and gutters to return to normalcy as quickly as possible. Call us at 410-638-7021 today, or give us a visit at www.tarheelconstructiongroup.com to let us help make your family whole again.